Dear students, in continuation to our lectures on theorems on limit inferior and superior, let us prove some more results. So first result which we will prove is in this lecture is if Sn and Tn if Sn and Tn are bounded sequences of real numbers then limit n tends to infinity superior of Sn plus Tn is less equal to limit superior of Sn plus limit superior of Tn. Let us prove this result. We are proving results on limit inferior and limit superior, and note that we are simply using definition of limit superior and limit inferior. So these are bounded sequences. That's why limit inferior and limit superior will exist finitely. For each n belongs to I, define capital Mn is equal to LUB or supremum of the set Sn, Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2 and so on. Capital Pn is equal to LUB of the set Tn, Tn plus 1, Tn plus 2 and so on. Capital Qn is equal to LUB of the set Sn plus Tn, Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1, Sn plus 2, Tn plus 2, Sn plus 2 plus Tn plus 2 and so on. Now, for any n, we have the relation Sn plus Tn is less equal to, now Sn will be less equal to upper bound of this set, and one of the upper bound is Mn. So Sn plus Tn is less equal to Mn and Tn is less equal to Pn. This holds for any n belongs to I. Sn plus Tn is less equal to Mn plus Pn. So Mn plus Pn is upper bound of the set Sn plus Tn Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1. To carefully understand this holds for any n. This is constant for fixed n. Okay? But this holds for any n. So Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1 will also be less equal to Mn plus Pn. Let me add this. Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1 is also less equal to Mn plus Pn, and so on. Means Sn plus Tn is less equal to Mn plus Pn. Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1 is less equal to Mn plus Pn. Sn plus 2 plus Tn plus 2 is less equal to Mn plus Pn. So Mn plus Pn is upper bound of the set Sn plus Tn, Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1, and so on. Hence, now we will use simple relation that least upper bound is less equal to upper bound. For any upper bounded set, this relation is always true. Hence, LUB of this set, which set Sn plus Tn, Sn plus 1 plus Tn plus 1, and so on, is less equal to Mn plus Pn. But what is LUB of this set? LUB of this set is nothing but Qn. So Qn is less equal to Mn plus Pn. Say this is first relation. This is our first relation. Or we have statement 1 having this inequality. Qn is less equal to Mn plus Pn. Since Sn and Tn are bounded sequences of real numbers, Sn plus Tn is also bounded sequence. Sum of two bounded sequence is again a bounded sequence. So Sn plus Tn is bounded sequence. Thus all three are bounded sequences: Sn, Tn, and Sn plus Tn. By definition of limit superior, by the definition of limit superior, we have limit superior of Sn is equal to limit of Mn, capital Mn, limit superior of Tn is equal to limit Tn and limit superior of Sn plus Tn is equal to limit of Qn as n tends to infinity. So say this is our second relation. From first and second we can write, or let me write this as a separate statement. From first and second, we can write limit n tends to infinity Qn is less equal to limit n tends to infinity Mn plus limit n tends to infinity Pn, and these limits are nothing but limit superior. So from second again you can write limit n tends to infinity supremum of Sn plus Tn is less equal to limit n tends to infinity superior of Sn plus limit n tends to infinity superior of Tn. So this completes the proof of our required statement. Dear students, there is a similar result for limit inferior. The proof is quite similar and you can refer to the proof which I have given in notes. The proof is quite similar. Let me just write down statement over here and you try to prove this on similar lines. So the statement is like this: if Sn and Tn are bounded sequences of real numbers, then limit inferior of Sn plus Tn is greater equal to, here it is less equal to for superior, and for inferior it is greater equal to limit inferior of Sn plus limit inferior of Tn. Note that here we used a simple relation that LUB is less equal to UB. So this proof basically made use of the fact that LUB is less equal to UB, that is least upper bound is less equal to upper bound, and here we will have to make use of the fact that greatest lower bound is greater equal to lower bound. That's why here we have greater equal to. As I mentioned, proof is on similar lines. In case you have difficulty in proving this theorem, you may refer to the notes which I have provided to you. Thank you.